fashion enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Styled and Sorted by Jazzmania. Today we're plunging into the stylish universe of the capsule wardrobe. This minimalist fashion approach could be your key to a decluttered closet and a refined personal style. So, if you're ready to simplify your fashion life, stay tuned. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more style, organization and lifestyle tips. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. So, what exactly is a capsule wardrobe? Picture this, a wardrobe filled with a select number of versatile and timeless clothing items that you absolutely love. Each piece is thoughtfully chosen, reflecting your personal style and fitting seamlessly into your everyday life. This is the essence of a capsule wardrobe. It's not about having limited options, but rather about creating an efficient and stylish collection that can be mixed and matched to create a multitude of outfits. No more standing in front of a cluttered closet feeling overwhelmed by choices. With a capsule wardrobe, every item has a purpose and every outfit is a winner. The goal? To simplify your life, save time, and reduce decision fatigue when getting dressed every morning. Imagine the ease and the elegance. That's the beauty of a capsule wardrobe. Before we start building your own capsule wardrobe, let's discuss some of the incredible benefits. The magic of a capsule wardrobe lies not just in its simplicity, but also in the multitude of benefits it brings to your life. One of the most obvious is less clutter. Say goodbye to overflowing wardrobes and I don't know what to wear moments. With a capsule wardrobe, you'll have a curated collection of clothing items that you love and wear regularly. This not only makes your closet more organized, but also simplifies your day-to-day dressing routine. Now, let's talk about the precious resource we all yearn for more of, time. A capsule wardrobe saves you time. How? By eliminating the daily indecision of what to wear. You'll have a set of clothing items that work well together, so you can put together an outfit in no time at all. And here's the best part. A capsule wardrobe can be kind to your wallet. You might be wondering how, especially when we talk about investing in high-quality pieces. Well, the answer is simple. A capsule wardrobe discourages impulse buys and promotes thoughtful purchasing. You'll be buying less, but what you do buy will be of better quality and more versatile, giving you more value for your fashion budget. Moving on, a capsule wardrobe is a step towards sustainable fashion. By focusing on quality over quantity, you're not only reducing waste, but also supporting brands and manufacturers that prioritize ethical production practices. Finally, a capsule wardrobe is both stylish and efficient. With a well-planned capsule wardrobe, you can create a myriad of outfits that are not only versatile, but also reflect your personal style. So even with fewer items, you won't have to compromise on style. In a nutshell, a capsule wardrobe is a game changer. It simplifies your life, saves you time, money, and even contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. And the cherry on top? You'll look effortlessly stylish every day with minimal effort. Now let's dive into the steps to build your very own capsule wardrobe. This process is a journey of self-discovery, requiring introspection, decision-making, and a dash of creativity. But fear not, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Step 1. Inventory your current wardrobe. This is the starting point. Take out every item you own and lay them out. This will give you a clear picture of what you have, what you wear often, what you hardly touch, and what you might be missing. Step 2. Define your style. Are you more casual chic, or do you lean towards a more formal, polished look? Maybe you're a fan of vintage fashion or love the bohemian vibe. Understanding your personal style is crucial as it forms the backbone of your capsule wardrobe. Step 3. Select your color palette. Having a cohesive color scheme not only makes your wardrobe visually pleasing, but also ensures that all your pieces can be easily mixed and matched. Stick to neutrals for the majority of your pieces and add a few pops of color for variety. Step 4. Identify essential pieces. These are the workhorses of your wardrobe. Think versatile items like a pair of well-fitting jeans, a crisp white shirt, a little black dress, a comfortable pair of sneakers, and a stylish yet functional outerwear piece. Step 5. Ensure your pieces can be mixed and matched effectively. This is where the magic happens. With a well-curated capsule wardrobe, you should be able to create a multitude of outfits with just a handful of items. Step 6. Prioritize quality over quantity. Remember, the goal of a capsule wardrobe is not to have the least amount of clothes possible, but to have a collection of pieces that you truly love and wear regularly. So invest in high-quality items that fit well, feel good, and will stand the test of time. And finally, step 7. Don't forget the accessories. While they may seem like afterthoughts, accessories can make or break an outfit. They add personality and flair to your looks. So, choose a few versatile accessories like a statement necklace, a classic watch, or a chic handbag to complement your wardrobe. And there you have it. 7 steps to building your capsule wardrobe. Remember, creating a capsule wardrobe is not about achieving perfection, but about simplifying your life and expressing your personal style with ease and confidence. So embark on this journey with an open mind and a willingness to experiment. You might be surprised at how liberating it can be to own less and yet have more. Don't forget accessories to elevate your looks. A capsule wardrobe can also be seasonally adjusted. This means your versatile collection of clothing can adapt to the changing climates and trends of each season. Think of your capsule wardrobe as a tree. Just as trees shed their leaves in autumn and bloom anew in spring, your wardrobe too can shed items that aren't seasonally appropriate and bloom with new pieces that are. In the chillier months, you might find yourself reaching for cozy sweaters, warm scarves, and durable boots. As we transition into spring, you can store these items away to make room for lightweight blouses, breezy skirts, and playful sandals. Summer may call for airy dresses, comfortable shorts, and vibrant swimwear, while autumn invites the return of cozy knits and stylish jackets. The beauty of seasonal rotation in a capsule wardrobe is that it allows you to refresh your style without overstuffing your closet. It's about maximizing the versatility and wearability of each item in your collection. Remember, the key here is rotation, not accumulation. As you introduce new pieces, be sure to store away or donate items that no longer serve your style or the season. And don't forget, just as you would with your year-round capsule pieces, invest in quality over quantity. Choose seasonal items that will stand the test of time and can be worn year after year. This approach to a seasonally adjusted capsule wardrobe keeps your style fresh and exciting, ensuring that you're always dressed for the weather and occasion. Maintaining your capsule wardrobe is just as important as creating it. This isn't just a one-time project, but a lifelong commitment to mindful fashion choices. So let's discuss how to keep your capsule wardrobe fresh and functional. First up, we have seasonal rotation. As the seasons change, so do our clothing needs. It's time to swap out those lighter summer pieces for cozier winter items, or vice versa. This doesn't mean you need a complete overhaul. The beauty of a capsule wardrobe lies in its versatility. Most of your items should be year-round staples, with just a few seasonal pieces that you switch out. Remember, the goal is to have fewer, better items that serve you well throughout the year. Next, let's talk about being mindful of new purchases. One of the main goals of a capsule wardrobe is to break free from the cycle of fast fashion and impulse buying. Every new addition to your wardrobe should be intentional and well thought out. Ask yourself if this new piece fits into your existing wardrobe, if it aligns with your personal style, and if it's something you'll wear frequently. If it doesn't check all these boxes, it's probably not a good fit for your capsule wardrobe. Finally, it's crucial to reevaluate your wardrobe regularly. This is your chance to assess what's working and what's not. Are there items you're not wearing as much as you thought you would? Or perhaps there's a gap in your wardrobe that needs filling? Regular check-ins help you keep your wardrobe efficient and ensure that every piece is earning its place. So there you have it, the key to maintaining your capsule wardrobe. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. It's about making conscious decisions, simplifying your life, and refining your style. Don't be afraid to make adjustments along the way. After all, your wardrobe should evolve with you, reflecting who you are and how you live. Assess your wardrobe's efficiency and adjust as needed. That's the essence of maintaining a successful capsule wardrobe.